So now can we move to talking about, finding the right path for the students?
My favorite.
चलो, very good. अच्छा, सपोजिंग बच्चे को पता नहीं है कि उनका पैशन कहाँ है और उनको कौन सा करियर चूज करना चाहिए, तो वो कैसे चूज कर सकता है?
Okay, so of course I'm a career counselor. So it's important that you should definitely talk to someone who does understand this. Okay. Secondly, how would a student do it himself? When it comes to a career, no, I very strongly believe that do what you love. Okay, but it's also important that do what you love. How practical it is, right? If somebody says that मुझे बस painting करना अच्छा लगता है, but we have to understand that it's okay to become a painter or an artist, but you have to understand the ROI. You have to understand कि कितने time के बाद क्या कहाँ कितना. Yes, it is a great career and people have like are really successful with respect to that. But it has to be something which you enjoy doing every day and also is making you feel successful. Yeah. So there are 4 things. One, list down the things which you really love to do.
Okay.
Then you list down the things which you are naturally good at. The third one is what the world needs. And lastly, will the world pay for it?
Okay.
Now ये चारों को मिला के ना एक overlap आएगा आपके पास कुछ careers का. Those are the careers which you should focus on and understand how to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. So always, and again, secondly, always have a backup plan. That's also very important.
Okay.
Whenever you are choosing a career.
Because
things are changing very rapidly, which nobody can even predict. AI has come in so much. In the next 5 years, the world is going to be a very different place. So it's important to understand that how things are changing, and along with that, moving towards joy and success together.
Joy and success together. I think ये सबसे important चीज़ है. I feel कि हाँ, क्योंकि अगर joy नहीं है तो success किस काम की, right?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Interesting, very very interesting. अच्छा, ऐसा भी होता है कि कभी हम करियर में आगे बढ़ चुके हैं, स्टूडेंट ने एक करियर चूज कर लिया है और उसके बाद उसको ऐसे लगता है कि ये मेरे लिए नहीं है और मुझे करियर चेंज करना है, तो कैसे करे और इज दैट ओके टू डू?
पहले तो वो स्टूडेंट मैं हूँ.
अच्छा. Interesting. That is a lovely thing. So we want to know.
Yes. So, see, I strongly believe that, not that I believed this earlier, but life has taught me this, that, career is not linear. Generally, ऐसे नहीं होता. हम, obviously, if you go to counselors and teachers and, who are your mentors, will help you, tell you that, okay, 10th के बाद ये, 12th के बाद ये, grads, ये चीजें में कर लो, इसमें से कोई भी एक कर लो और फिर masters eventually ये कर लेना. Pretty straightforward. Like a flow chart. Yes, no, eventually this. लेकिन ऐसा होता नहीं है. At each step, you start questioning. You know that ये मुझको अच्छा लग रहा है क्या? Is this something which I see myself doing? Okay, so it's important to understand that career is not linear. You can kind of move around however you would want to.
Okay.
And go where you think you are enjoying something which you can sustain till at least 80 years of age. Okay. Something which, brings joy to you, even working on a Sunday. And you should not feel that, hey, Bhagwan, kal Monday hai.
Which I think हम सबको
बहुत सारे लोगों को होता है. बिल्कुल
हम सबको होता है. Agree.
So it is important to definitely look at career in that way. And with the NEP coming in, as I told you, it's always going to give you some backing that ठीक है, नहीं जमा, explore कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. One thing which I very highly recommend is exploration. Try करो, समझो कि वो क्या है. अभी तक NEP इंडिया में इतना नहीं आया है. That's why I kind of make sure that when a student is deciding a career, I am talking about the curriculum, I'm talking about the college, I'm talking about what you will study, what are the opportunities after you finishing this study. So, we are taking a guided and an informed decision to move towards the next step. अगर मैं आपको 10th में ही बता दूंगी कि आप ग्रेजुएशन में ये पढ़ लोगे, ये करिकुलम होगा, मास्टर्स में ये होगा, तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ स्टूडेंट. और 15-year-old यार बच्चा है, क्या कितना टेक करेगा, कितना समझेगा, कितना उसका इंटरप्रेट करेगा.
बराबर है.
सो टेकिंग वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम इज इम्पोर्टेंट. विजिटिंग अ काउंसलर ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. It's important that you check, that okay, I thought that physics is doable till 10th, but now in 11th and 12th physics has shown me its true colors. अभी मुझे नहीं पसंद फिजिक्स, नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से. So then you always need to have a switch. You need to understand कि भाई अच्छा ये नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ से अभी दूसरा क्या वे है. So always it's important to kind of look and stay aligned to your goal.
तो चॉइसेस रहती हैं हमारे पास हमेशा.
बिल्कुल.